Keeping your refrigerator clean not only helps maintain its appearance, but also ensures it runs efficiently and keeps your food fresh. With regular cleaning and proper maintenance, you can prevent odors, reduce wear and tear, and extend the life of your appliance. To maintain a spotless exterior and interior, follow these simple steps. For exterior cleaning, wipe the digital panel and display with a clean, soft cloth. Instead of spraying cleaner directly onto the surface, spray it onto the cloth first to prevent excess moisture from seeping into sensitive components. Clean the doors and cabinet surfaces with a mild detergent, then dry them with a soft cloth. For interior cleaning, wipe the inside of the refrigerator and freezer with a weak baking soda solution. Then rinse with warm water using a damp sponge or cloth. Dry all surfaces completely before replacing the shelves and baskets to prevent moisture buildup. When external air enters the fridge, condensation can form on the inner surfaces. Simply wipe away any extra moisture with a dry cloth. If you notice condensation on the outer surface, especially in humid conditions or during the rainy season, this is also a natural occurrence. Wipe it down as needed to prevent excessive moisture buildup. Because refrigerators create an airtight seal, any residue, spills, or trapped moisture can cause lingering odors over time. Regularly check for expired or spoiled items and discard them immediately. Clean up spills as soon as they happen to prevent odors from settling in. Store foods in sealed containers to keep strong smells from spreading. Deep cleaning. A must for a fresh fridge. Even with daily maintenance, deep cleaning is essential at least once a year or more frequently for heavily used refrigerators. Start by turning off the refrigerator to conserve energy and ensure safe cleaning. Empty the compartments by removing all food, shelves, drawers, and drawer bins. Wash the shelves, bins, and drawers with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly and let them air dry. Using a soft cloth or sponge dampened with a neutral detergent, wipe down the interior walls and compartments. Be careful not to use excessive water as it can seep into crevices and promote mold growth within those crevices. Once everything has been cleaned, dry off surfaces and removable parts completely before reassembling and powering the fridge back on. Additional tips for preventing odors and maintaining efficiency. To help neutralize odors, place an open box of baking soda or a refrigerator deodorizer inside and replace it every 3 months. Check for hidden spills in hard-to-see areas like crevices and under drawers. Store strong-smelling foods like onions, garlics, and seafood in airtight containers. And even though the refrigerator is typically mounted in a cabinet, dust and debris can accumulate around it. Clean the sides and back of the appliance at least once a year, and then inspect the drip pan regularly. A small amount of water in the pan is normal, but if there's standing water or an unusual odor, check for extra moisture buildup and ensure proper airflow inside the compartments. By following these cleaning and maintenance steps, you'll keep your refrigerator smelling fresh, running efficiently, and preserving your food safely for years to come.